Housing associations have got an incredible combined pool of energy, talent and passion. Together we can share ideas, develop new ones, and I think give each other the confidence to try things out.
I think it's important because if we don't innovate, the world will change around us. The housing association sector will get left behind.
We've got collectively so much brilliance in terms of our staff and the people that work with us, our customers and our board members. And I think it's really important that we harness that.
The construction industry really hasn't increased its productivity levels or its diversity in the last 30 years. And we need to do something about that. We need to change the landscape that it currently is. We need to increase productivity. We need to increase the quality of the housing that we're producing. And we need to encourage young people into the industry. And innovation is the key to unlocking all the technological advances that are currently.
At the moment, we are building houses that disable people, and we need to build houses that enable people. We have to talk about including the currently excluded and working together to make housing much more inclusive.
There is transition from housing to living, and especially social housing is a key point in a city, because without social housing, without good rental housing, the city is not working.
I'm here to talk to housing providers about how we can get more what we call green infrastructure into development. So that's things like places to grow food, places to play, learn in the outdoors. It's part of what makes a place a good place to live.
The energy today has been fantastic. Everybody has contributed and joined in the conversations. And there's been a lot of learning, a lot of networking, and a lot of input to the work that SFHA is doing. We'll take the outputs from all of the conversations and discussions and develop new tools and resources for housing associations.